everyone, welcome back to SAK Academy. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most important concepts in machine learning, supervised learning. Whether you are new to the topic or looking for a quick refresher, this video will help you understand what supervised learning is and its different types, all with a real world example. So, let's get started. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where we train a model using labeled data. This means that for each input, we know that the corresponding output, and the model learns from this relationship. Imagine you are teaching a kid how to recognize fruits. You show them a picture of an apple, tell them it's an apple, and they start learning the pattern. That's essentially what's happening with supervised learning, training a model to map inputs to known outputs. Supervised learning is broadly classified into two types. One is classification. This is used when the output is a category or a class label. The model learns to classify data points into different groups. For example, imagine you want to classify emails as spam or not spam. You train the model with emails that are already labeled, and the model would learn to distinguish between the two categories. Another example could be classifying images of animals, like identifying whether an image contains a cat or dog. Second type is regression, where the model predicts a continuous numerical value. A classic example of regression is predicting house prices based on features like square footage, location, and number of bedrooms. Here's the output isn't a category but a specific number, such as predicting that a house will cost around $35,000, like that. Both classification and regression, the model goes through a training process. It uses the input data along with the correct output to find problems. The goal is to minimize the difference between its prediction and the actual labels. Let's take a real world example based on predicting whether a person will buy a product based on their browsing behavior. This is a classification problem. You have historical data of users who browsed the website and whether they ended up buying the product or not. The input features could be things like time spent on the website, pages viewed, and clicks, and the outputs would be a yes or no label for whether they made a purchase. So that's a quick overview of supervised learning and its two main types, classification and regression. Supervised learning is the backbone of many real world applications, from spam detection to price detection and even in recommender system. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to SAK Academy, and turn on notification for more content on machine learning and data science. See you in the next video.